As part of efforts to aid in St. Lucia's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, LUCELEC recently officially handed over testing equipment to the Ezra Long Lab of the Owen King EU Hospital. The equipment is expected to further strengthen the testing capacity of the Ezra Long Lab. Director of the Ezra Long Lab, Dr. Wayne Felicia, says the equipment is needed and will play a significant part in addressing testing challenges for COVID-19 in St. Lucia.
Persons would remember when we went for our situation during the months of January and February, where results delayed up until 7 days, so even more. With the assistance of the extraction device that LUCELEC has provided, we've been able to keep to our turnaround time of 24 to 48 hours, which we have been able to maintain through large parts of the month of March, April, and into May.
Managing Director of LUCELEC, Trevor Louisi, says his organization remains committed to contribute to the national COVID-19 response effort and believes the donation of testing equipment will assist tremendously.
In the last quarter of 2020, we were beginning to see an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, and we wanted to do all we could to get the equipment here quickly. That is the equipment for which we're doing a symbolic presentation today. Symbolic because the equipment has been in use. Sadly though, not as quickly as we had hoped due to some setup challenges. Nonetheless, we are pleased to have been able to make a contribution to improving the efficiency with which the lab can process PCR samples.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belma George expressed gratitude to LUCELEC for the donation and says this will contribute towards expanding the nation's testing and curbing the COVID-19 virus.
This capacity that we now have, and a lot of the people of St. Lucia who waited long periods for results are now seeing those benefits when within 24 hours you are able to tell if you're positive or negative, to know how to proceed. And it has also supported our contact tracing efforts in making it a lot more efficient and reducing spread. So this really is an invaluable tool in supporting and managing COVID-19.
The donation of the testing equipment from LUCELEC to the Ezra Long Lab is valued at 114,000 EC dollars. Reporting from the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Health and Wellness, I am Fennel Neptune.